True. So my camera on my phone stuffed out on me yesterday. It's like just black, both sides. Anyway, I was hoping someone would have posted up how to pronounce today's kupu or today's place name, but no one did. Oh well, never mind. So anyway, today's kupu or today's place name is Rangitoto. That's Rangitoto. All right. On the radio yesterday, I heard a woman pronounce that place as with an extra A. Didn't know it had two A's in it, so she said Rangitoto. Anyway, yeah, well, just Rangitoto, Rangitutos. Yeah, they're all wrong. All right, so repeat after me. Ra, ni, to, to. All right, so the hardest part in the place name is the R, and probably the NG. So the R, obviously, you're just going to roll it like a cat purring. And the NG, you'll pronounce it like in the word sing, or song, or sang, or singing. All right, so the NG is pronounced exactly the same as in singing. All right, and then the T's, they're short T's. So they're not, they're blunt T's, sorry. Almost like a D, but not quite. So it's to, to. Yeah, it's not toto, like as in an Indian accent. It's toto. All right. So repeat after me again. Ra, ni, to, to. Ra, ni, to, to. Ra, ni, to, to. Rangi toto, rangi toto. You get faster. Rangi toto, rangi toto. All right. So all of those vowels in there, they're all short. There's no stressed vowels, no macrons on that in that place name. All right. Po Maori e